Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Anjani Phuyal. I am the founder of Genese Solution. Also, I represent as one of the Global Amazon Ambassador. Today, again, it's not about company, it's all about community. And I'm so proud that we are having this community day today. It was my dream from many years. Since we started Amazon User Group Nepal back in 2018, I still remember the first event we did in August. Thanks for Softwareica College by providing the venue support that time. We are counting 4+ years and we made it happen. Today, we are actually in front of all of you to celebrate Amazon Community Day, first ever event in Nepal. I'm even glad and proud that we are able to host Amazon Deep Research event, which was a dream event for me and probably for a lot of Nepalese tech enthusiasts to make it happen in Nepal. A great shout out to the whole organizing committee who supported this event to make it happen. A brief about myself. A lot of people might be wondering, when did this Mr. Anjani Phuyal started his Amazon journey? So again, typical, like probably most of you, I started my journey being an engineering student. I was electronics and communication engineer when I studied my engineering degree. Later, I entered into the career of IT, information technology, in a corporate company named Thomson Nepal. In that company, I got the opportunity to manage in-house servers, switches, firewalls, pretty much like all the traditional information technology stuff that you can imagine. That actually made me realize the struggle of a tech person in a day-to-day life. Back in 2012, when I was trying to repeat my experience in the similar corporate company in UK, I feel we need to move forward to the direction of cloud. That's when I started my journey of Amazon Cloud. I signed up to the first Amazon web services portal. And since then, I have never looked back. So far, I have got around 10+ Amazon certifications, including associate and professional level certifications. And you might be just wondering, why is this guy taking so many certifications? Because it has made me realize how important it is to learn new stuff, at the same time to be certified as well. Being certified means getting an affiliation. It's equivalent to getting a driving license. I mean, no matter how hard you cry, you speak loud and justify that you are a good driver, if you do not have a driving license, probably all of your shout and everything probably may not be noticed. That's what exactly I felt about being certified. Being certified will give you the guarantee that you get noticed in the hard. Obviously, you need to have your skills and knowledge to prove that you don't just got the license, but then you have the ability to execute as well. Again, talking about my Amazon Ambassador journey, when I left my corporate career, my last job was in Capital One Bank. I was the information security manager within the Capital One Bank UK. After I left the job over there, I became full-time with Genese Solution. Genese Solution being the pioneer Amazon consulting partner in Nepal, I got nominated to be the Amazon Ambassador. How Amazon defines ambassador in one line is those person who work for Amazon partner network company and who have a deep expertise within the Amazon platform are pre-selected and nominated as Amazon Ambassador. And it is my privilege, and I'm very proud to say that I am one of the global Amazon Ambassador out of around 250 people all over the world. It's not that I am proud I am the ambassador. It's because myself being an ambassador, a person who come from a very, very non-privileged background. I believe this is going to create a lot of hope and probably inspiration for a lot of youths out there, all of you out there, that you can actually even become much more than probably what I have achieved by being an ambassador. A person coming from such an underprivileged background, I have proven that I can be on that level. Now just imagine, I'm pretty much sure every one of you here must have been more privileged than the people from our generation. I am looking forward to see a lot of Amazon ambassadors from this crowd. I'm looking forward to see a lot of Amazon community members from this crowd. Again, I'm looking forward to see a lot of community developers from this crowd as well. Now, a lot of people are asking, why did you actually start Amazon User Group Nepal? So again, my background, I came to UK in 2010. I started my corporate journey here in UK, work almost 10 years. I got good opportunity to be working in center of London, where I realized that a very big tech community is active there. It's not just tech for any one platform or technology. It's simply tech. Like you want to learn about front end, you want to learn about backend technology, you want to learn about Java, Ruby, Amazon Cloud, or whatever technology, maybe web performance. Like literally there was like group for every technology platform or every technology area that you want to learn. I used to go to the meetups every evening. Again, it's a Western culture. You get free pizza and free pizza and beer. I don't drink, but yeah, pizza was quite awesome. I really enjoyed having free dinner. But at the same time, the important part was getting the free knowledge from the experts, from probably people who are highly qualified and who come from all over the world. That's what made me realize, hang on a minute, in Nepal, in Kathmandu especially, which is the capital city of Nepal, we didn't have such privilege. I mean, why cannot we start similar kind of activities so we can actually, make a crowd of like-minded people where we can actually share our ideas, knowledge, and that's how I initiated Amazon User Group Nepal to start back in 2018 in August. And this is how it is now. We were sometimes very active, maybe due to pandemic and various reasons. We went into virtual, maybe a bit less active. But there are a lot of people who supported from the early stage, from the very beginning. And finally, we made it up to this point. And now it is all about you people, how you're going to support the community and how you are going to shape it. Because community can be initiated by a single people, but community cannot be run by a single people. It needs a support from all of the community members. And I am very proud and very glad that you all of you are here today to actually support this mission and then take it forward as well. Again, as you can imagine, running community is not an easy thing. It's a non-profit, it's a volunteer activity. No one gets paid by running the community. Then you might be wondering, what is the benefit of running the community? For me, the benefit of running the community is the satisfaction that you actually get. The happy face that you see in other people when they hear about a similar problem that they have stumbled upon, and someone is actually explaining the same thing. And then I can see them smiling. Oh yes, exactly. That was the problem I was going through. Hang on a minute. This guy is actually going through the same problem as well. Yes, exactly. It's a group of people with common mindset, probably common aspiration to do better in tech in their life. Exactly. That's the whole point of building the community. But running the community, as I said, like it's a volunteer and non-profit. So obviously it's difficult to manage time, difficult to manage resources. And one of the challenges that I find in Nepal is I do not see a lot of companies actually committing and investing in the community. It's very sad for me to say I still do not see a lot of trend going on that direction without the support from the community, without the support from the companies who are primarily, hiring tech people, who are primarily producing tech people. We cannot build a strong ecosystem. Hence, I really request, again, there are a lot of companies out here who have supported today. I would really like to thank you very much from my heart itself, that you have done a wonderful job by supporting the community. It is just a beginning. You might be thinking, I mean, we just paid a couple of money for the sponsorship, we might have just invested a bit of it. I mean, is it a big thing? No, absolutely. It's not about like money. It's about commitment that you have shown. It's about the support that you have provided. That is actually going to be a very big thing for the community, to shape the future of the community, to make it grow bigger. Again, it's not just the companies. I would suggest, or I would request actually universities, university clubs, colleges, college clubs, or maybe any other communities as well. Let's not work in a divided way. As you can imagine, cloud platform, we all need cloud platform, right? Everything runs on top of cloud platform. You are building application that runs on top of cloud platform. You are using like artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, IoT, AR, VR. We all need cloud platform. I think as a community, we all need to work together to establish the fundamentals that we need, and similarly about any technology that will actually run on the cloud platform as well. Again, there would be questions from a lot of volunteers or even members. What is it for me to be part of the community? Again, as I've said, like 10 years back when I was in London, if I wasn't a part of the community, then I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be certified. I wouldn't be sitting in front of you saying, I am 10 Amazon certified. I'm one of the Amazon ambassador. So in a gist, what the community provides, it actually provides you the growth, the opportunity to expose yourself, the opportunity to speak in front of the crowd, the opportunity to share your ideas, expertise, which is going to make you stand out, which is going to make your CV stand out, which is going to make you stand out in front of a lot of recruiters out there, a lot of companies out there. And again, the confidence that you are going to get by providing support to the other community members, it's definitely going to be a golden opportunity to shape your life, career in future. Again, there's a lot of exciting talks that all of you are waiting for. So I wouldn't want to take a lot of your time. It is just, I could not be there today. I have a lot of good news coming. I have a new second baby coming on the way, and hence I am not able to make the session in person. But you cannot imagine, I would have run from UK and then be there in Kathmandu to attend, because this is again one of my another baby. And how can I miss my baby dream coming true? Again, running Deep Racer, as I said, that was one of my dreams. I was dreaming it from last 4 years. We made it happen this time. I'm pretty much sure next year or even this year itself, we will have people from Nepal representing in the global arena, being one of the finalists or being probably one of the winner in the Deep Racer program itself. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the program. Have a good day.